Some properties look good on paper, but this one looks good everywhere. And there's a good reason for that. Welcome to San Pedro. In fact, welcome to San Pedro Beach. We're 350 meters from the beach. Beach being walking distance to Banús, beach being, of course, if you walk up here, you can walk to the town of San Pedro, but literally everything is around you. This place is a gated community, has two pools because you have your own pool here, and then you have a lovely large pool, which we'll see afterwards. It's not small, it's 167 square meters with a plot of 170, but it's the finish, it's the way that it's been reformed so lovingly and so perfectly. But anyway, I could keep going. Let's go check it out. Welcome to this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, semi-detached townhouse that's only a short walk to the beach. We're talking 350 meters. There's promenades, cafes, supermarkets, international schools, basically everything that you could actually use every day. Inside the property, it's been completely renovated to the highest standard, top to bottom. Open plan, modern and finished with proper quality materials, not the kind that sort of look good for 6 months and then just simply give up. The living space opens straight into a partially covered terrace with an outdoor kitchen, built-in grill, wine fridge and, yes, a private heated pool with an outdoor shower. The home also features hot and cold air conditioning, underfloor heating throughout. The house comes fully furnished, so it really is a turnkey. The community offers landscape gardens, a large communal pool, a paddle court, and the property itself has private parking for 2 cars. So if you're looking for a modern beachside family home in San Pedro, walking distance to everything, no work needed and zero compromise on lifestyle, well, this one's going to be very hard to beat. You have everything, and if it's not here, it's only a short walk away, as I said to you before. So this property will sell quickly. I know that I say that often, but we only really do videos for amazing properties. So you better come and check it out with us. But for now, I'm out. Hey, Juan, there's no one there.